Good morning, children. Now, today we are going to complete this chapter. Express the following information in the standard form. Okay. Now, size of a bacteria is 0.0000004. We have to write it in the standard form. So, what we have to do is we have to shift this dot how many places? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so it will become 4 into, since it is a small number, 10 to the power of how many places? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 minus 7. 4 into 10 to the power of minus 7 meter. Okay, next, the size of red blood cells is 0.000007. Again, it is a smaller number. The dot has to be shifted 1 2 3 4 5 6. 7 into 10 to the power of minus 6 millimeter. Okay, children. Next, the speed of light is 300,000,000 meter per second. So, nothing is there means dot is here. It should come 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. Okay. Next, the distance between the moon and the earth is this much. Okay, again it is a larger number. Dot have to be shifted. Nothing is there means the dot is here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 places. 3 point whatever numbers are there, you have to write those numbers into 10 to the power of how many places? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 m. Okay. Next, the charge of an electron is 0.00000000000000016 coulombs. So the dot has to be shifted 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 and here 18. So 1.6 into 10 to the power of, since it is a 0.00, it is a smaller number, minus 18 coulombs. Okay, children. So next, the thickness of paper this and the diameter of wire this. You can do it for your homework. Next, in a pack there are 5 books, each of thickness 20 millimeter. Okay, given in a pack there are 5 books, each of thickness 20 millimeter and 5 paper sheets, each of thickness 0.016 mm. What is the total thickness of the pack? 5 books are there. Their thickness is, according to the problem, 5 into 20 millimeter, 5 books. Each thickness is 20 millimeters. So you will multiply plus 5 into 5 paper sheets are there of thickness 0.016 millimeter. Okay. 5 into 20 is nothing but 100 millimeter, and 0.016 into 5. 5 6 are 30, 5 1s are 5, 8, 5 zeros are 0, 0. So it is nothing but 0.08 millimeter. This 0 is not valued. Okay, so it will become 100.08 millimeter. Okay, then when we want to make it in the standard form, this will shift 2 places here, since we should have only one number in the whole number part. So it will, if this 0 is shifted here, this 0 0 8, we have shifted 2 numbers, so it will be 10 to the power of 2. This is already there in decimal part only, we are shifting only 2 here, so 10 to the power of 2 millimeter. This is the standard form. What is the total thickness of the pack? Therefore the total thickness of the pack is equal to 1.0008 into 10 to the power of 2 millimeter. Okay, so with this we complete our chapter 4. Now next we are going to jump to chapter 6. So I want you all to write the important points of chapter 6 and keep ready. Okay, this is all for today. See you next week. Thank you.